Bukan guys, what a small thing. Takealot box for such a huge box. Yo, hi guys. And then you see for such a small thing for a box and cat. Yo, this is too much. I just finished doing a thumbnail, so yeah, welcome to my channel. Welcome again. Welcome. Welcome to my channel. Theembelyhle Mbatha. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the gang. We are the gang. We are the family. We are sure we're cool. We're fine. Yeah. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, a small unboxing. I think this video won't be that long, maybe about 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, maybe perhaps. I don't know. But yeah, let's get into it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. If ever you're still continuing watching this video, please like, subscribe to my channel. Let's unbox. For unboxing, I've bought 2 things from Takealot. The boxing is too big, guys. Like, I just take 2 boxing Takealot. Like, is this really necessary? But yeah, we're not there. Let me unbox this one first. It's a wireless Lavalier microphone. This microphone trying to change my sound. Maybe it's gonna be better, maybe it's gonna be okay, but yeah, let's just open it. Yeah, it is a Puma namana kuza now to Puma no type C and then iPhone. Yeah, vlog short videos and whatnot, but yeah, this one plug and play. But yeah, this is the yes. Let me try and check. Okay, this is the mic. I guess it's very simple. Okay, this is another. Then we talk. I'm gonna check it. Okay, and I don't know what's that for. And then this is the plug for the adapter. Let me check and see. Yeah, fun from the charger. Thank God, I think yeah, fun. I think it's your fan now. I hope for the best. I just hope for the best. Pray and work if it's the best. Waiting for the things to do. Learn how we fire on the phone, then we plug this in, then we're good to go. Just like that. I'm gonna test it out and then okay, yeah. I'm gonna test it out. Then ngibone ukuthi ihamba kanjani. Let me check what's this. Oh, this is the manual, and then this one is for the iPhone, of which the iPhone I got bibiko, guys, not yet. The iPhone I got bibiko, so yeah. Oh, this one for this one. If ever you're using an iPhone, if ever you're not using an iPhone, if ever you're not using an iPhone, if every time we faka on the like kanji, I think we fuck. Huh? What's this not for? I have no idea. But yeah, Simbigala, simfake your phone in like with an into your camera or to your phone. But yeah, because when I'm using a phone, I'm gonna be taking this. Let's unbox the packaging number 2. I bought it. I hope it's good. So I'm gonna move a little bit. Yeah. In RIZZEN NovaTab series. Okay. Here is it. Stash. Okay, pull my tablet. Then this is the charger. And this is the cable. Type C. That is good. That is fine. Let me check. Ooh. Yes. Then there is a cover. Okay, here's a tab. You charge on the cable corner. And there is the cover for the tablets. A cover rack. In the stash. And this is the manual. Let's unbox. Let me do it down here. Okay. She's new. Okay. I don't know. But yeah, it's a 10-inch 10.1-inch HD 2 gig RAM 64 ROM 550 5000 ampage Android 11 Go edition. Button note: please charge your device prior to first use. Okay, let me just get into this, but I was just showing you I'm gonna be using it for everything that I need. Let me check the lock before I go. Oh, okay. But this wrap is very, 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 very strong. Yo, my hands. Oh. Anyway, guys, if ever you like, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna be keep on using it for everything because my laptop is, yeah. But anyway, before I'm running too much, please, if ever you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe and like, share it to your friends and family. Tell them to please subscribe to our channel and sizobona izinto ezi-right. Anyway, I don't want to stay a little bit too much for now. Bye guys, I love you and enjoy. Yeah,